what's going on YouTube? It's your boy CJ Brand, and today I'm so sorry my camera is shaky when I'm holding my phone. But anyway, today we are actually finna head over and do a photo shoot today. This is going to be one of our blogs out of many, so whew, I mean, I'm excited. This is my second one. My first one was actually a wedding. I think I did phenomenal on that one, so let's go ahead and head straight over to it. We go like 30 minutes away from my house, so it's whatever. But whenever we get there, man, I'll go ahead and chime back in to show you guys what I brought for my second photo shoot. Let's get it. All right, man, so we finally made it over here to the St. Charles Recreational Center, or whatever it's called, man. I mean, I don't know what they're doing today. It is Saturday, so I guess they're having some type of event, but we about to get out the car, man, and show you guys the equipment, and hopefully we have us a blast. So we'll be right back. Peace. All right, man, so we got everything set up. I'm tired as hell out here. It's like 95 degrees, but we got everything set up, so we're just waiting on our clients to, you know, arrive or whatever. I am currently recording on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, so my bad, I got stuff behind me. I'm like, oh, I'm about to, you know, they got animals, so let's go ahead and show you guys everything I got. So go ahead and, all right, so this is my setup. So of course we have the Canon EOS M50. We also have like a little I guess a Joby Gorilla. I don't know what it's actually called, but it's one of those, you know, little stands or whatever. What is this thing called? I always forget what they call, and I have 3 of them right now. That's crazy. Anyway, then we also just went ahead and picked up the Canon 50mm thing. Also had to add on an EOS M adapter to it, just because my Canon isn't this big, so this adapter helps me out a lot with this. This right here is phenomenal. I love it. Been using it a lot. Then of course we have just the Canon battery itself. This is a standard one. I have a off-branded one in there right now, but I am going to change it out. And then this right here is going to be the stock one right here. So this is a 15 by 45 millimeter. Has stabilizer in it. This one doesn't have stabilizer, but it comes with autofocus, which that's the only reason I really like it. Then of course I have them both supporting the light dimmers, or the extra light killers. And then we just have our little flashlight. I call this thing a flash because I mean it's bright as heck in person, so it helps me out a lot. And then we just have some filters. This right here is going to be our filters for the 50mm, and this one, oh my god, that's a B right there. I'm gonna have to run. But this right here is for the stock one. So that's pretty much my setup for today. And then I'm also using the Rode microphone, and then here go my other 2 stands that I'm planning on using for the camera. Just gonna mount those up there. This right here came with my ring light, so I just brought it just in case, you know. I think that I'm gonna use this one a lot more, and the reason why is because it's stable. But I need to figure out what the heck are these things called. Like, I'm gonna have to look that up and drop down a little quick tip. I'm like, hey, this is what the thing's called. But anyway, I'll try my best to see if I can find out everything that I am bringing today and put it in the link below. If not, I'm sorry, but I will go ahead and try my best to recommend the nearest one. So we'll be right back.
Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says.